Today, we will make a cocoa in the microwave in 4 minutes. Take 2 medium bananas, peel them, break them into small. Add 2 eggs. Now, mash with a fork. If there are small banana pieces, it's not a problem. Mix everything well. And add 6 tablespoons of cocoa and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well to avoid lumps. You take a rectangular mold. It can be any container. Grease the bottom and sides with oil. Pour all the batter. Set the microwave for 4 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the cream. Put 80 grams of cottage cheese, 50 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of sour cream into a blender. Mix everything. The cream is ready. Take the form out of the microwave. Evshiko go, uvim rikakuju takormok, kesna shokoit to flip the cake and let it cool a bit, then cut it in half and cut these 2 halves in the middle. You will get 4 layers. Stacking them on top of each other, spread cream on each layer, pressing slightly. At the end, you can decorate with berries or fruits. You don't even need to soak it. You can start eating right away. I've been making this cake for breakfast for the 3rd time, and I never get tired of it. Tasty, quick, simple, and with minimal ingredients. What could be better? If you liked the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave comments, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss new delicious videos.